Today I am in my cursive kickoff book on page 14, and we are going to be learning a couple of things today. We're going to review capital I, we're going to learn lowercase I, and we're also going to review some punctuation marks. So capital I starts at the top. We do a straight line down all the way to the bottom and bump. You do lift your pencil, and then you can put on your top and your bottom. The bottom should go right at that bottom line there, and then the top's going to go straight across where you started your I at. For lowercase I, we're going to start at the midline, go down and bump, pick up your pencil, and add your dot. The trickiest part about I is making sure that the dot on your I is easy to read, not too big, not too small. We're looking for that just right dot on top of our I. Otherwise, I is a pretty easy one since we just do a straight line. So for lowercase I, we're going to go down and bump, pick up, and then add your little dot. Okay, try to be pretty consistent with where the other dots are on the examples for you, and making sure they're about the same size. Okay, down here, we're going to copy the punctuation marks as well as the sentence. So this first one is a comma, and they've done 3 for you. You're going to go through and do 3 on your own as well. So it just starts above the bottom line, and then it curves down under the bottom line. Quotation marks go way up in the air, and they're like 2 commas together, and you do them facing inward, almost like little macaroni noodles. And then your period is going to sit right on top of that bottom line. And that one we're pretty good at because we get to practice that one quite a bit. And then down here at the bottom, you're going to write this whole sentence. And your goal as you're writing this sentence is to try to make your letters match the letters above them, both in size and in shape. So we're going to write Ava said, and see how I'm trying to line up my letters with the letters above. Here's my comma I get to practice. Okay, here's my quotations I get to practice. Don't forget those punctuation marks. That's part of your sentence. I got to bump all those lines. Your letters should take up that whole space between those 2 lines. And if it goes above, it needs to be tall. Magic C, turn it into an A. Magic C into a D. Magic C again. Okay, so not perfect, but notice how my words are right on top of each other with the example. I want you to do the same on page 14 in your cursive kickoff book.